How to remove action blocked on Instagram. When you're performing a certain action over and over again in a short period of time, Instagram may flag this and temporarily block you from the action. When this happens, you may see a pop-up like this one, stating that you're misusing the feature and that you're temporarily blocked from using it. If this happens to you, there are a few ways to remove the action block so that you can continue using Instagram as you like. The first way is by selecting the Tell Us option from your pop-up. If you select this, you'll be requesting a manual review by Instagram so they can reevaluate your actions and possibly reverse the block. Alternatively, if your pop-up doesn't include the Tell Us feature and just has an option for OK, you can report a problem by going to your profile page and selecting the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Settings. You can then select the Help tab and choose Report a Problem. You can then select what area your problem is under. Usually something isn't working is the best applied. You can then type out your issue and explain that you've been blocked for something that you haven't done. Once you have it typed out, just press Send in the top right corner to submit your problem. Another way to attempt to remove your action blocked is by deleting your Instagram app and reinstalling it. Because deleting the app removes any cookies and other data stored in Instagram, it should remove your action blocked as well. The next method you can try is switching to your mobile data. Sometimes your IP address may be the reason that you got blocked, so switching from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data may remove the error. To do this, just swipe down to find your control center and turn off your Wi-Fi so that only your mobile data is used. Finally, if none of these options work, you may just have to wait it out. Action blocks can vary from anywhere from 24 hours to 2 weeks, but regardless of what the amount of time is, you want to try and not use the app for 24 to 48 hours. This just reduces the amount of activity to flag Instagram again, so that they'll be sure to remove your blocked action. Hopefully one or more of these methods will help you. And that's how to remove an action blocked on Instagram. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.